not be able to allow them to buy a drink. So that's how if condition works. So let us look at the if else part. So the if else part, we use it to check in case the if condition is not true, or the first condition is not true, then what else should we do? Remember, in the previous example, we just checked if someone is more than 18, then we shall allow them to buy a drink. So what if they're less than 18? We need to tell them something. But before, our website couldn't display anything. Why? Because we just checked for the higher age. And they can think maybe our website is not working. But if we want to tell them something like, hey, this is the problem, you are under 18, that's why we don't allow you to buy alcohol. So we have to put the else part. So the else part will be executed in case the first part is not true. So this is how we put the else part. It's just simply put the condition here. If we put the condition, and then we put here the curly bracket and close it, and do anything that we want. In case this condition is true, we do them here in the first bracket. And then the else part, we do them only when the condition is not true. So I want, like, if it's not true, I want to tell that person, hey, you're not allowed to take alcohol. So I'm going to do that by simply saving this file as Ctrl+Shift+S and save this one as 12, and then put here else. Okay, that you should be able to see the difference. So I'm going to open this part, this file, by just simply coming to my browser and put the file, and you see it is displaying nothing. Why? Because it is less than 18. So to attach the else part, you just write the if condition that we looked in the previous example and just put the else, and then open your curly bracket and put there. So I'm going to put here echo you are not allowed to buy a drink because you are under 18. Go back home. Okay, so we shall check if it's greater than 18, then we shall execute this part. If it's not greater than 18, then we shall execute the else part. So let's go and check our code. So refresh. Oh, something is wrong. I forgot the semicolon. Come and refresh. You are not allowed to buy a drink because you are under 18. Go back home. So even if it makes 19.999 to be our age, refresh, still you are not allowed. But as long as we knock 18, tap, in January 18, then you are allowed to do what? To buy a drink. So that's how we implement the else, the if and the else part. So let us look at the what? At the else if.